Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We're back with another sketchbook. We are here with Merlin Sketchbook. Merlin, how are you?
Hello.
Where are you from?
China.
Wow, what part?
In Hubei province and in Wuhan district.
Oh my God, that sounds so cool. Very nice. And what's your dream job?
An animator, like working in the animation director and like storyboard related jobs and doing the TV animations.
Very nice, very nice. So you got a killer sketchbook. Let's check it out. Let's start flipping, okay? So go ahead. Why don't you start flipping through? You can pull it towards you a little bit more if you'd like. Good. So you're just using a regular pencil?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. And these are for the skeleton homework, right?
Right.
Very good. All right, so let's start flipping. Let's get through this thing. These are the torso peanut shapes. Beautiful job working with a traditional pencil. You have the most confident line in the class. Very strong, powerful line.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about this page. The cat is from a photograph?
Like I usually took practice on website online, like
Yes.
it has free
Yes.
resources for drawing practice, so I drew the cat on there.
Beautiful. And the figure too? That's Maria from my website.
Yeah.
Yeah, good, good. Beautiful. So you're using marker and pencil.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And this is kind of pen, like thicker than the usual black pen.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, keep flipping, keep flipping.
Yeah.
Beautiful, positive and negative space. Love it. You're using the pictures on my website. Thank you so much for that. I'm glad that you're using them. Excellent job. And then over here, you're using beautiful loose line. This is just like a marker pen?
It's a color pen, like when it's met water, you will like you will spread out. So usually I just waited to like use marker to cover it because it's really easy to mess it up.
Okay, cool. Very nice. That you did such a good job on those very difficult poses. Good for you. Excellent work.
Thank you.
And this is your desk. You're drawing from life.
Yeah, it's my desk where I'm living now.
Beautiful job. I like the things hanging from the lamp. So this is, was this in class? No, these are from some photos. That's the model we had today, maybe.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't remember, but
Yeah. Oh, no, that's Forrest. You, again, beautiful job with the pencil there on the left. You did such a good job. Good. That is Forrest. Now, tell me a little bit about this page with your characters.
These are fan art of other works, and like this is too, and the others like are my original characters and stories.
Wow. Very pretty.
Yeah, and this one is also in fan art.
Okay, so you're mixing it up a little bit.
Yeah.
So I like that you're doing the fan art with the homework, with some characters that are your own. You're doing a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Good, good. Keep flipping.
Sorry.
That's okay. And a nice life drawing from the studio classroom.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I draw it in class, so
Wow, that
it's
is
not good.
No, it's good. This is a very interesting, pretty page. I like how you're combining. Look at all the details in the pencil case. You're a details gal, and I really like that. Like you really pay attention to those little details. That is excellent. Beautiful with the animals. That cat is the best, and so is the basset hound and the squirrel.
Yeah. They are also from the online website.
Yeah, these are very difficult poses, and I'm so happy that you're tackling them. Good job. That model is insane.
This one?
Yes, she does the crazy poses.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that surface planes drawing, wonderful. Now I remembered why I wanted to film your sketchbook. That's excellent. And this is like early in the semester, so good job. How long have you been drawing? Keep flipping.
Um, maybe in an early time, like.
Long time ago.
Yeah, but I haven't learned drawing before. Just learn by myself. My parents don't allow me to learn how to draw because they think it will affect my school works.
Yes.
So.
Wow. So you just have tons of raw talent.
Yeah, it's also fan art.
Yes.
And original characters, like mix
Beautiful.
them up.
Love it. Very cute.
And it's also fan arts, original characters, fan arts, like.
So you like to have variety.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like to draw what I'm thinking.
Yes. Beautiful job.
Oh, and it's also like some practice online, and it's my original characters.
That's great. The flowers. Jeez.
Yeah, I
Beautiful.
draw the picture online, like different kind of flowers, and it's the rough sketch I took in Ambas.
Oh my God, those birds are the best. Like this is my favorite page in your sketchbook. It's
Really?
insanely great.
Oh.
When did you draw the birds?
Maybe just when I practice, I will try different kind of animals. So.
Gosh, good job. You're doing very good, and I think all of this figure drawing, even though maybe it's not your favorite, is really paying off, and you're really starting to improve. But this is still like back in September, October, correct? This is your first sketchbook?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a long time ago, kind of, like 5 weeks ago.
I hope I have some process, like.
Yeah, just some life drawings.
Yeah, and also my original characters, and some movement practice, and the 1 minute animal practice drawing, like use simple shade.
Yes. Gosh.
And it's a fan art of Promel. Yeah.
Very cool. It's good, it's good.
And also practice.
Screw the haters.
Practice, just
Love it.
really so many figure drawing. Practice.
Yeah, I'm very happy for you that you're practicing this much. It's really going to work to your benefit. And you are not drawing easy poses. These are very difficult poses. And you're doing a good job.
Thank you so much.
I like the red. Very fun. And the way that you drew the guy, like it almost looks like he's looking at the other models and he's very nervous.
Yeah. Just I draw all the female in the resources on your website, and then like just run off the modes, so
Yes.
I move to another
Yeah.
one. And it's also from Promel's, it's Leo, and it's some kind of my daily diary
Yes.
to record what I'm thinking, and also fan arts and some notes from school, and fan arts original character. Just so.
And what about the soda can? That's from Life?
Oh yeah, it's when I'm drawing the sketchbook, I drink it beside, so just draw it.
Oh, so it's just great. You're doing everything right. A little bit of what you enjoy, fan art, a little bit of your own original characters, and a little bit of life drawing.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's what your sketchbook should be. It shouldn't be like this thing that is so hard. It should be fun.
Yeah. So have the motivation to move on.
Excellent.
Figure drawing, animals.
Very nice.
And
You see, your sketchbook video just looks very good because your line is so heavy and confident that it doesn't, like my line is very light and I have to build it up unless I'm using the dark pencil that we talked about. And your line is very dark and it just looks so good.
it actually is a bad habit that I always like pushing too hard to use pen and make it hard to erase.
Yeah. So just you keep flipping. The one thing you have to keep telling yourself as you draw is don't outline everything equally.
Yeah.
And you're doing traditional tone for the tone homework. Love it.
And some life drawing.
I think you are a master at drawing birds.
Really,
You're a master at drawing
I still
birds.
have a lot need to learn. So.
Yeah.
And,
Good.
oh, and that one is drawing from the picture. I should pose it here like the original one, but still.
It's cool.
Yeah, I also like it. And it's from Kill la Kill and Japanese animations. And
So this page, how long did you spend on this page? An hour?
usually I draw this donuts like really quick, like inside of half an hour.
Okay.
So
That is fast.
yeah, but too quick is not a good habit. Oh, it's also some like record of life and some fine arts and about practice movements and my relatives.
Mm-hmm.
Also live drawing. My classmates invite me to like have dinner with them.
Yes.
So it's,
Beautiful.
fine arts. Sorry for so many fine arts.
That's okay.
And it's from the museum trips, like the live drawing.
Beautiful.
And,
Just homework.
I did the wrong one.
That's okay. You did a good job. I'm very happy. Sorry for the finger in front of the camera there for a split second.
Oh, it's okay.
No, that was me. That was my mistake.
And also some live drawing. And
So you finished your sketchbook in 8 weeks, right?
yeah, I took a really long time because I like to draw many things inside of one page, so I draw really slow. It took me a long time to finish it. And the notes from museum and record of life and live drawing.
Good.
Practice of original characters and those three are mine and my friends' original characters. I really like them.
They're beautiful.
Thank you so much. And this page, I again the signature of our books writers.
Yes.
So I just leave it here like
Good. Inspiration.
yeah,
Howard Beckerman, right?
yeah.
Beautiful. Oh, that's such a great page.
And it's all from Matt's website's practice. Also the tree.
Yeah, good for you. We're gonna do trees. Oh wow, love that.
It's like movement and shadowing changes of figure drawing
Yes.
and using
Light and shade.
yeah, and using markers to only draw the shadows of figure
Yes.
and also records of life. And my original characters with friends, Leah couple, and when Halloween comes, I just draw them.
Good.
And the figure drawing, I'm not really good at.
Portrait drawing class. So you
yeah.
these are from life.
Yeah.
Excellent. You did a good job. You have to work on your likeness with your solid portraits. Is that in this class?
Yeah.
I look good from the back. I look skinny.
Actually,
Thank
I
you.
forgot to add hair, and after my classmates remind me and said, "Oh, why Matt don't have hair?" and add it after class.
No, you did such a good job because you are not showing my bald spot. So thank you so very much. I really do appreciate that. Oh my God, thank you. You made me look skinny. Awesome.
Oh, it's the model from class. Like
Yes.
quick
That was fun.
Yeah. and also the quick close drawing.
She's such a great model, that model.
Yeah,
Yeah, really good.
her movements are really good to draw and
Yeah.
study. And some figure drawing and my homework of animation history to draw some like simple storyboard.
Yep.
And
Portrait homework.
yeah.
Okay, so let's flip through a little bit faster because we're over 15. And you're doing such a
so
good job.
sorry.
No, don't say sorry. You're doing magnificently. Just my fingers are going numb.
Oh,
Okay, hold on. Tell me about this character.
it's my original character. Like, it's happened on Halloween. Their stories. So, I just want to like record, the ideas I have.
Yes.
And
I'm so excited for you, the way that you draw.
thank you.
And hands homework,
Yeah.
even though I didn't send the homework for the hands and you did it anyway, so thank you so much.
I did it like last week, and
Beautiful skull.
the skeleton study on Matt's website. And,
Wow.
Yeah. And the life drawing of my classmate Badger. Don't tell her. Oh no, she will find out. And Nice in the Woods fine art, because I recently playing this game again. And,
Yes.
And
Merlin, thank you so much. You're so talented. You're an awesome artist. I really do appreciate you sharing. And we'll share your social media in the description below. Thank you so much.
thank you so much, Matt.
All right, you got it. Thanks for watching.